You know those kitchen hacks that sound daft until you try them? Beat. This one's older than forks on most tables, and it still slaps in a modern kitchen. It preserves, it boosts flavor, and it'll make leftovers feel posh. The trick? Potting, sealing cooked food under a cap of fat. Medieval cooks used it in manor kitchens and on long journeys. No cling film, no vacuum sealer, just a layer of clarified butter, duck fat, beef drippings keeping air out. Oxygen can't get in, microbes struggle, and flavor gets a first-class ticket. Let me show you how to pull it off at home. Step 1. Pick your food. Shredded chicken, salmon, mushrooms, cooked lentils, roasted peppers, potted shrimp. Dry is your friend. Excess moisture shortens the clock. Step 2. Season like you mean it. Salt, cracked pepper, lemon zest, a squeeze of lemon, mace, nutmeg, clove, juniper. Fold in chopped herbs, but keep them dry. Step 3. Pack it tight. Spoon the mixture into a clean, warm jar. Spoon the mixture into a ramekin. Press down to chase out air pockets and leave about a finger of headroom. Step 4. Make the seal. Melt clarified butter. Ghee works. Render duck fat till liquid and clear. You want it warm, not screaming hot. Pour a 1.5 Cimbrentos cap over the top, fully covering the food and the sides. Tap the jar to pop any sneaky bubbles. Step 5. Chill. Fridge it uncovered for 20-30 minutes till the fat sets. Then lid it and keep cold. That fat lid is your armor. How long does it last? Safely handled, 5-7 days in the fridge. For longer, freeze, pop off the fat lid. Portion, wrap, freeze the contents. Save the fat for cooking. How to eat it? Crack the seal. Spread on toasted bread. Warm flatbreads. Toss into hot pasta so it melts and glosses everything. It's a built-in sauce. Why it works? Air is the enemy of both flavor and freshness. The fat blanket blocks oxygen and locks in aromatics. So instead of fading, flavors bloom.